What is that? Here. What is that? Here it is x plus 3y equal to 4. Let's substitute that. This is x. This is 3 into 3 equal to 4. So that is x plus 9 equal to 4. So what is the value of x? Obviously 4 minus 9, which is minus 5. Simple question. Is that clear? That's how you solve the equations using elimination method. That's what we have discussed in our last class. One is substitution method. Second one is elimination method, right? Now, in all the cases, if you observe, the questions what we discussed till date, till this question, we were discussing about solving linear equations in two variables. Let me give you, a different example. Check this example. Here you have x plus 2y plus z is equal to 7 is one equation. X plus 3z is equal to 11 and 2x minus 3y equal to 1. Three equations are given. Now clearly the first one, x plus 2y plus z is equal to 7. It's a linear equation in three variables. Clearly it's a linear equation in three variables. So what do? You have to, using these three equations, you have to solve for x, for y, and for z, and find what is x plus y plus z. So how to solve this? Very simple, easy to understand. Check the first two equations. In first two equations, you have, z is a common variable. Clearly you can see there, in first two equations, z is a common variable, whereas in the third equation, you don't have z. So how to solve this? What we do is, from first two equations, we'll try to eliminate the variable z using elimination method. So let's use elimination method and eliminate z. So what are the equations you have? You have x plus 2y plus z equal to 7. And your second equation is x plus 3z equal to 11. Now let's solve this. Let's solve this. So here, if you observe, what you have to do, you have to eliminate z so that you'll get equation in two variables x and y. Already you have an equation in two variables x and y, the last equation. Then again solving those two equations will result in a value of x and the value of y. Now substituting those values of x and y in first equation, you'll get z. Easy to understand, easy to solve. So let's solve this. Now here, how to eliminate z? In the first equation, you have 1z. Second equation, you have 3z. So what you do is, we'll multiply this first equation with 3. So what do you have? You have a 3x plus 3 2s are 6y plus 3 2z, 3z. Now 3 7s, 21. Now you have x, you don't have y. Let's take 0y. You have a 3z is equal to 11. Now let's solve this. Minus, minus, minus. So what do you have? 3x minus x is 2x. Done. Already you have 6y minus 0y. Obviously it is 6y only. Now clearly your z gets cancelled. So here on the right, on the RHS, your 21 minus 11 is 10. Now clearly in the equation, if you observe, you have 2x plus 6y is equal to 10. Now let us assume this is your fourth equation. And this is your 1, 2, and this is your, let's say, third equation. So now what do you do? Your third equation is in variable x and y. Your fourth equation is in variable x and y. So what do? Solve them. So let's solve 3 and 4. Let's solve 3 and 4. Now if you solve 3 and 4, what do you get? So here, what is the equation 3 you have? You have 2x minus 3y equal to 1. Equation 4, 2x plus 6y equal to 10. Let's subtract this. Minus, minus, minus. So clearly your 2x gets cancelled. So what do you have? Minus 3y minus 6y is minus 9y. Clearly on the right hand side, 1 minus 10, that is minus 9. So what is y? Obviously minus 9 by minus 9, which is 1. Clear? Now substitute this. We have y. Substitute in 3 to get x. What is that? 2x minus 3y equal to 1 given. Substitute y equal to 1. 2x minus 3 into 1 is 1. Let's solve this. So you have 2x minus 3 equal to 1. 2x is equal to 3 plus 1. If it goes on the right hand side, you have 2x is equal to 4. So what is the value of x? 2. Now we got y as 1. We got x as 2. Now what do you want? You want z. So obviously you'll substitute these values of x and y in first equation. So what do you do? Here
So to make it easy, we can do in the second one.
in the second one, yeah, that's all. That also you can do it. Yes, that's perfect. Okay, let's substitute in 2 because you have only one variable, no? X. So what is that? Okay, that's easy to find. What do you have? You have x plus 3z is equal to 11. So what do you do? Put x is equal to 2. So what do you have? 2 plus 3z equal to 11. Your 3z is nothing but 11 minus 2. So your 3z is nothing but how much it is? 9. If you divide 9 with 3, you'll get 3. So you have x is 2, your y is 3, your z is x is 2, y is 1, and z is 3. Okay, we got x1, sorry, x2. That's what you got. Let's rewrite that. X is equal to 2, y is equal to, you got 1 previously, your z is 3. So therefore, what is asking? X plus y plus z. What is x plus y plus z? Obviously, it is 2 plus 1 plus 3. How much it is? 6 is what your answer is. Simple question. So here, what we have done, you have been given equations in 3 variables, x, y, and z. From first 2 equations, you are eliminating the variable z. You'll get equation in terms of x and y. Already you have equation in x and y. That is your third equation. Solve them. You'll get x and y. Substitute either in 1 or 2 to get the z. Then you can easily find what is x plus y plus z is. So simple question. Please go through it. Anyone have any doubt? Please let me know. Any doubt anywhere? You can ask. Perfect.